Hi, my name is Ziad Al-Akkad. I'm a lead solution engineer within the VMware Cloud Provider program. I'm a VMware certified design expert, been with VMware for almost 10 years. I've been working on helping our cloud provider thrive and grow their business. So for me, to be honest, most of it was business as usual. So thanks to the technology we have at VMware, it have helped me to be able to meet my customers on a daily basis. Actually, in a lot of instances, been more productive because I did not have to waste time commuting to work. I did not have to spend long hours in long haul flights. The only part I'm missing, to be honest, is direct interactive with customers. But beyond that, it's been quite good. Been able to spend more time with family as well. VMworld is the place actually to find out what a new announcement we're doing. So if you actually looking to be one of the first to know what we're announcing and what new product and solution we're bringing to the market, that's the place to be. As a part of the CTO Ambassador program, VMworld always have been a big event for me. I have spoken the last few events and we're excited about it, and we'll be there for the next few events. Looking forward to see all of you up there.